ikaine hini hangari ya Congo umurumpondwe umurubira town council rweyongera gukyendeira bwanyuma yenta kimazire za ADF kutahira ishomero rumwe town council niyemwe zikawerekereza amagaraga abana nyamwinzi kurigirira abashomesa bitwagambaho nabo bagirangu bakugerezeho ukorekera kubasika cyona kurinda amagaraga abana muri ecyo uteyeho kubinga abana bona bintu bararumunda kutaha bakashomara bargomuka abantu bagirangu bakashaba government ukubateraho bukumi kugeza aho kurinda amagaraga abana ubutagaruka muga kwerekera nko kucyabiriwe nshuminje hingwire.
We shall operate day section. The boarding section is of course temporarily closed, so we are not going to allow students to stay in the dormitories. We shall only operate the day schooling.
Moses Skule uriyo mushomesa ari Nyabugando secondary school nagirango bwahati abana barukurgahare n'ishomero tubakisha bwanyuma iyo bwinazo bwabere wa bagenzi babo.
Fear that some students, especially who are very far, even some parents were saying that since it is an insurgency area and a secure area, at times these students may change even school. And we are hopeful that even some other students, especially the female, when they just relax at home without studying, these long journeys of moving to and from school is very dangerous to the female students. So we are appealing to the government that at least they provide us with security such that we remain with our kids in school, and then we see how they are being protected in school and how they study very well when they have a peaceful mind.
Bamwe umbana bagambira hona Sky TV bashaba government ukorekera kubasika cyona kurebe kangu yayongera bukumo mcyanga cyabo abukuba cyakitabere kityo emishomo yabo nibasa kwemera.
I wake up very early in the morning. I boarded the bada to take me to school. I found all the school is closed, and I request the government to order for us security guards to guide us to continue with our studies.
I felt to come because they are totally fearing, because we are nearby the school which was affected by the event.
That they have attacked my school. I had like a shock, but I want to request the government to give us protection and the army which will protect our school.
Omuringo ngogumwe abashubuzi abarikora akatare akampondo rubira market ahansharo ya Uganda na Congo nbagirango bakino bo babwinzi ngwenta kimazire za ADF zibasa kutyamuka kutwara amagaragabo. Peter Kure uriyo mushubuzi nagirango kwihaba ADF batahirishomero bakayita abantu barkwingana n'abashatu amagaragabo tugakategerera gombyo bushubuzi aho kubo bwahati abantu barukwijo mukatare nibake munonga wabagerageranisa n'ababenu beje nyumaho.
Is still on standstill because most of the mourners are still trying to bury their bodies, their relatives. In Congo, similar situation is happening.
Abanda bashubuzi okukira munonga abari kushubura emyenda iri kumanywa nkamutunda hamwe n'enkaito beino kwerarikirira kwinzi abokuba umbare gw'abantu hamwe n'emishuburo ebeinegenda mu meisho ekyendeire munonga bwanyuma y'obwinazo bwabeireho.
Nako zino mbera ya business itambudde bubi tutunda kamu aba client verify aba business abatukwatako batugulako nako zino tebaja mvujudde tutambudde bubi nako zino tuli bubi wano ku border
ubuzi omukatale kampondwe embera ejeji ya leta abantu mukatale batina kwija mukatale habwe bibireho chonka nimanya habwa security weri munenanka embera nezagaruko mu nteko membere birerije ebiretine nshonga abantu abarija bagura ebintu byabo kurungi chonka abwe bibirehebi abantu nibatina no kuje mukatale.
Wahati abantu bashaba government okuchendeza amshoro yebenebe yaho beitoteireho na sente ziba bintu bashashuriro mukatale.
Nekindi twantushaba government etuchendereze ha mishoro emishoro ebire nyingi titushafuna sente titushashomesa abana abw'emishoro kuba ebire mingi n'abantu bakine sente.
Eshiminja ingwire Sky TV kuyabaine gambaho na Minister w'ebyakarumagezi Godfrey Kabyanga akagira ngu obwahati emishuburo iri hagati y'amahanga abiri neza kushuma.
Border trade obviously has been affected. You know, this incident has happened on Ugandan side, but such incidents have been happening on the Congo side, and they have been highly affected. Probably another thing why intelligence was not has been affected. The whole market has shifted to Rubira side, so the Congolese are not crossing.
Makuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo, our Sky TV, again shong